Welcome to Cooking Magic. Today we're sharing a delightful recipe for homemade French fries that's sure to satisfy your sweet cravings. Follow these easy steps to create this mouthwatering recipe right at home. Begin by peeling the potatoes. Cut them into even-sized strips. Soak the potato strips in cold water for about 30 minutes to remove excess starch. Add 1 teaspoon of salt in warm water. Drain and briefly boil them in salted water. Once boiled, drain and pat them dry with clean paper towels. Add the corn flour over the potato strips. Coat the potato strips with corn flour, ensuring they are well covered. Heat vegetable oil in a large skillet over a high heat. Add the cornflour-coated potato strips to the hot oil. Fry for about 4-5 minutes until they're just starting to turn golden brown. Remove the fries from the oil and let them drain on paper towels. Serve the French fries with tomato ketchup. Enjoy this delicious snacks with your loved ones. If you found this homemade French fries recipe both satisfying and easy to prepare, show your support with a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Cooking Magic for more incredible recipes like this one.